All right, let's get real. You ever been in the dark trying to work on something and your headlamp just sucks? It's dim, it's got this tiny little beam that only lights up what's right in front of you. And let's not even talk about that annoying strap that digs into your forehead. I mean, look at this. This is what I've been dealing with for years. But what if I told you there's a headlamp out there that can light up everything you're trying to work on? This is the Liteband PRO PureHD 2500 that Liteband sent me to test out. And I can honestly say, yeah, I'm never going back. This is the most expensive version at $140 at the time of making this video, but that also includes a case and an extra battery. But don't let that price scare you away, because there's lots of other versions that should fit within anyone's budget. I'm about to talk more about this headlamp, but before I do that, I just want to remind you to subscribe and like. It costs you nothing and really helps out my channel so I can keep making content like this. Most headlamps throw a little tunnel vision beam, right? You gotta turn your whole head just to see anything. But check this out. This thing gives you a 210-degree wide floodlight. No more blind spots. You see everything hands-free. And it's packing 2,500 lumens of light. That's a fancy way of saying it's bright as hell. It's only fair for me to point out that there is a side effect to all this extra light, and that is heat. This one makes quite a bit more heat than my old headlamp, but honestly I think that that's a good trade-off. Oh, and it's got 5 different lighting modes, including a spotlight mode if you still need that direct beam. So whether you're working, running, camping, or just walking the dog at night, this adapts to whatever you need. And let's talk about comfort. Because you know, if you've ever worn a cheap headlamp, after like 10 minutes you feel like your skull is in a vice. Due to the larger capacity, the Liteband is a little heavier than my other headlamps, but the band is great and the weight is distributed well. That means it's very comfortable with no slipping. You can wear this thing for hours and forget it's even there. I will point out that my forehead got a little sweaty after wearing it for a while, but I'm kind of a sweaty dude, so that's really no surprise. I don't baby my gear. If I'm using something, it's got to take a beating. This thing, IPX5 weatherproof, impact resistant, and made to handle real life. I mean, this thing's built for firefighters, mechanics, hikers, runners. If it holds up for them, it's probably going to hold up for you. And what about battery life? Because a bright headlamp is useless if it dies in 30 minutes. But this, up to 28 hours on low power. That's more than a full night of work or even an entire weekend trip on one charge. The package I got even came with an extra battery for an additional 28 hours of light. A lot of the cheaper headlamps use batteries, while the Liteband is rechargeable with a USB-C cable. Alright, let's put it to the test. Here's your average headlamp. Tiny little spotlight, barely enough to see. And now the Liteband. You see the difference? I don't know about you, but I like to see everything, not a tiny little spot 10 feet in front of me. I've tested a lot of headlamps, and I can honestly say this is the best one I've ever used. It's brighter, wider, more comfortable, more durable, and lasts longer than anything else I've used. I also just think it looks really cool. So I have 2 minor issues with this headlamp. Number 1, the sweat thing. Maybe the band could be made of a more breathable material. Number 2, some of the other headlamps I've used have an adjustable spotlight that allow you to angle it down. Might be nice, but neither one of those things are a very big deal. So if you're tired of uncomfortable tunnel vision headlamps, it's time to upgrade. The Liteband PRO PureHD 2500 is a game changer. And once you try it, you're never going to go back. I'll drop a link down below if you want to check it out. Let me know what you guys think. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.